Hi everybody and welcome to my channel Math Tricks. In this video, we'll see how to calculate the limit as x approaches infinity of polynomial function that gives indeterminate form infinity minus infinity. To do that easily, here are some calculation steps to follow. Step number 1. Make direct substitution and verify getting the indeterminate form infinity minus infinity. Step number 2. Try to factorize the expression with the greatest degree. Step number 3. Simplify the expression. And step number 4. Substitute the infinity value in the expression obtained to calculate the requested limit. Let's follow these calculation steps to do this exam. Calculate the limit as x approaches positive infinity of the expression 5x squared minus 7x. Step number 1. Make direct substitution. When we substitute positive infinity in the expression 5x squared minus 7x, we get infinity minus infinity, which is an indeterminate form. Step number 2. Try to factor the expression with the greatest degree. The greatest degree in our expression is x squared. So, when we factor with x squared, we get x squared times 5x squared over x squared minus 7x over x squared. Step number 3. Simplify the expression. In 5x squared over x squared, we cancel x squared. And in 7x over x squared, we cancel x. And the expression becomes x squared times 5 minus 7 over x. Step number 4. Substitute the infinity value in the expression obtained. The indeterminate form was lifted, and we can just substitute the positive infinity in the expression x squared times 5 minus 7 over x to get positive infinity squared times 5 minus 7 over infinity. It's gonna be positive infinity times 5 minus 0. And positive infinity times 5 is gonna be very large and positive number. So we are gonna say that's positive infinity. Finally, the limit as x approaches positive infinity of the expression 5x squared minus 7x is equal to positive infinity. Example number 2. Calculate the limit as x approaches positive infinity of the expression minus 3x to the 5th power plus 2x to the 4th power minus x cubed minus 5x squared plus 9. Step number 1. Make direct substitution. When we substitute the positive infinity in the expression, we get minus 3 times positive infinity to the 5th power plus 2 times positive infinity to the 4th power. It gives already an indeterminate form because we have negative infinity plus infinity, which is an indeterminate form. Step number 2. Try to factorize the expression with the greatest degree. The greatest degree in our expression is x to the 5th power. And when we factorize with, the expression becomes like this. Step number 3. Simplify the expression. In the expression, we cancel x to the 5th power, x to the 4th power, x cubed, x squared, and the expression becomes like this. Step number 4. Substitute the positive infinity in the expression obtained. The limit as x approaches positive infinity of the expression is equal to the limit as x approaches positive infinity of this expression. Now, as the indeterminate form was lifted, we substitute the positive infinity in this expression. So, the limit as x approaches positive infinity of dx to the fifth power gives positive infinity to the fifth power, and the limit as x approaches positive infinity of this expression is equal to -3, because all of these expressions go to the zero as x approaches infinity. And positive infinity to the fifth power times -3, it's gonna be a very large and negative number. So we are gonna say that's negative infinity. Finally, the limit as x approaches positive infinity of the expression -3x to the fifth power plus 2x to the fourth power minus x cubed minus 5x squared plus 9 is equal to negative infinity. Check your comprehension by answering these two exercises. It's a direct application of the steps we just saw. You will need a sheet of paper and a pen. You will have 2 minutes maximum for each exercise. Press pause if you want more time. Are you ready? So let's go. 3, 2, 1. For the answer, step number 1. When we substitute positive infinity in the expression, we get infinity minus infinity. Step number 2. We factorize the expression with greatest degree, x to the 7th power. Step number 3. We simplify the expression by cancelling x to the 7th power and x squared. Step number 4. The indeterminate form was lifted, and we substitute the positive infinity in this expression to get positive infinity, because these two terms go to 0 as x approaches infinity, and positive infinity times 1 is equal to positive infinity. Exercise number 2. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. For the answer, step number 1. When we substitute negative infinity in this expression, we get positive infinity minus infinity. Step number 2. We factorize the expression with the greatest degree, which is x cubed. Step number 3. We simplify the expression by cancelling x cubed and x. Step number 4. As the indeterminate form was lifted, we substitute the negative infinity in this expression to get positive infinity, because these two terms go to 0 as x approaches infinity, and negative infinity times minus 7 is equal to positive infinity. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you enjoy it, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel.